Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find crypto. Calm wire transfer receive details. First, ensure your crypto. Calm account is fully verified with identity and address proof. Next, open the crypto. Calm app and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom. From there, select your fiat wallet and choose the specific fiat currency you wish to deposit, like US dollars or euros. Finally, tap Deposit, and then select the wire transfer or bank transfer option to proceed. Once you've selected the wire transfer option, crypto, Calm will generate unique bank transfer instructions. It's crucial to note the beneficiary name, which must exactly match the legal name on your crypto. Calm account. Carefully record the bank's name, its address, your specific account number, and the routing number. If you are making an international transfer, you will also need the SWIFT or BIC code, which is an 8 to 11 character identifier for the bank. The memo or reference field is perhaps the most critical part of your wire transfer. This unique code acts as your personal identifier, ensuring the funds are correctly linked to your crypto. Calm account. You must include this exact memo in the reference or description field when initiating the transfer from your bank. Failing to include the correct memo can lead to substantial delays in processing your deposit or even result in lost funds, requiring a lengthy recovery process. When making a wire transfer, be aware of important considerations. Minimum transfer amounts often begin at $1,000 per transaction. Processing times can vary, with domestic transfers usually taking 1 to 3 business days, while international transfers might take 3 to 7 business days. Crucially, crypto. Calm only accepts transfers from bank accounts held in your exact name. Third-party transfers will not be accepted and may be returned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.